Welcome to our Fun Fitness at Home video. Today's show will be starring Mr. Ed, Mr. O, Miss May, and me, Mr. Dane. Let's get ready to do some fun yoga activities. The first yoga pose is called the tree pose. Let's all become big, strong trees. So put one foot against your leg and then put your hands together above your head and hold for 15 seconds. Great job, everyone. Now let's change legs and try the other side. Good going. The next yoga pose is called the triangle pose. So let's move our legs wide apart. Then we're going to point one toe to the side and reach down, grabbing our leg, and the other hand touches the sky. Hold for 15 seconds. Nice going. Now let's try the other side. Are you ready? Go! The next pose is called the half moon pose. This one can be quite challenging. Try your best. Amazing work, everyone. Now let's try another challenge. Let's try do some swimming on the floor. So just like the guppy pose, hold your legs up and your head up and pretend you're swimming with your arms and kicking your legs. Next we have the cobra pose. So we need to lift our backs and look just like a cobra. Let's see if you can do it. First, onto your stomach and hands to the side. Then lift your chest up, straight arms, and feel your back stretching. Amazing work, everyone. Great yoga skills. Now let's play a fun game. Copy the teachers on the screen. The first game we will play is called the zigzag jump game. For this, you will need some common objects from around the house. It can be bottles or tins or cans, anything that you can use to make an obstacle course. Don't forget your safety. The tiles can be slippery, so be careful. For this activity, put your bottles and cans and tins in a line with some space. Then find a bag you can put your feet into and jump around the obstacles. That first bag was a bit small for Mr. Dane, so I found a bigger one. And then I challenged myself. Afterwards, I jumped through the obstacle course again backwards. Do you think you can do it? Give it a try. Great job! Why don't you race your mom or dad, or your brother and sister, and see if you can do it faster than them? The next game is called air soccer. For this game, you will need a straw, a bottle lid, and two objects that you can use as soccer goals, just like Mr. Ed.
Are you ready? Go!
Great work! Now, why don't you challenge yourself and place some objects around the table that you need to move around before scoring a goal?
Uh-oh.
The next game is called Paper Walk. For this game, you will need 2 pieces of paper or 2 towels, and you will use them to walk forward. Just remember, the floor is lava.
I have the paper too, and you play like this. You push and you stand. Yeah? And you push, stand. Over. Yeah? Like this, okay?
Now for the challenge. For this challenge, fold one of the pieces of paper in half and then follow what Mr. O does. This can be quite a tough activity, so if it is too difficult for you, you can just stick to the original game.
2, 1, 2, 1.
Our final game today is called the ball relay game. For this game, you will need some balls or folded up pieces of paper or any object and 2 buckets. The goal is to go as fast as you can. Let's watch Miss May and see what she does. Now, to make it more challenging, set up an obstacle course that you can slalom through. This will make it a bit more difficult. Why don't you film yourself and upload it to Seesaw so we can see who the fastest runners in the class are? That brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!